Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook squid rings. First, ensure your squid rings are fresh or properly thawed. Rinse them thoroughly under cold running water to remove any grit or impurities. Then, it's crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step is vital for achieving a good sear and preventing the squid from steaming, which can make it rubbery. A dry surface helps the squid cook evenly and quickly. Once your squid is clean and dry, it's time for preparation and seasoning. For a classic crispy texture, lightly coat the rings in a seasoned flour mixture. A simple blend of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper works wonderfully. You can also enhance the flavor with a pinch of paprika or garlic powder. Ensure each ring is evenly coated, shaking off any excess flour before cooking. The key to tender squid is quick cooking. For pan frying, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over high heat. Cook the squid in batches for just 2 to 3 minutes, flipping once until lightly golden. If deep frying, heat oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and fry for 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Remember, overcooking is the enemy. It will turn your delicious squid tough and chewy. Now that your squid rings are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them immediately while they are hot and crispy. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor beautifully. For dipping, consider a classic marinara sauce or a creamy garlic aioli. A sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley adds a lovely touch of color and freshness, making your dish visually appealing and ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.